Hey there, guys. Hey, there's nothing better than making these delicious looking ribs, Texas style, in this nice grill outdoors. Something about grilling out there with a beer in hand, the smoke coming up, that just it's the best. But there's just one problem today here, guys. It's freezing cold out here today in East Texas. It's freezing cold. I can't be out here. I'm still sick. Still got a little pneumonia in my lung from all that COVID nonsense. I gotta go indoors. But never fear. I'm gonna show you how to make these ribs just as good and in record time. So you can be eating ribs in just a few minutes. Nice, soft, fall off the bone. Check this out. Alright guys, the G-Man from Texas here. Thanks to all those guys subscribing to my channel, by the way. Thank you so much. Alright, so we're back inside where it's nice and warm. And we're going to do these ribs here in the best inventions in sliced bread. That Instant Pot. I tell you, I don't know how I lived without it. It's going to be just as good, trust me. What we need is, some apple juice, apple cider vinegar, of course, barbecue sauce, and my personal preference, I'm going to throw in there some onions, which I grow myself, and some minced garlic, which I also grow myself here. Now, I can hear the guys already saying, "Whoa, why are you doing that? Why are you putting onions and garlic?" It's just my personal preference. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm going to throw that on the bottom of the pot. I'm just going to give it that flavor. That's the way I like it. Alright, so let's get cooking. By the way, all these ingredients and instructions, I'm going to put them in the description of the video. It's not fishing season anymore, especially for me, you know. Just came out of a situation with my health. So what am I going to do? I got to do something. I'm going to do some cooking. Let's get started. Alright, so I've got 4 cups of my apple juice right into the pot. Now, I'll put 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. There we go. It's going to give it that tangy flavor. I'm going to go ahead and throw my onions already chopped right at the bottom there. And a little bit of my minced garlic. It's nothing like growing stuff yourself, man. These onions and this music garlic are the best. Nice and organic. Alright. So I'm going to take my ribs, and yes, they're kind of frozen. Not a problem. Put them in the Instant Pot. Okay. They're not super frozen because I've had them out for a little bit. Put the fat side down. Fat side down. Alright, so fat side down, and of course it's not a whole rack intact because it wouldn't fit in the Instant Pot. So we'll just put them there. Just make them fit however you can, man. Make them fit however you can. And of course now, I'm going to give it some barbecue sauce. After these are cooked, I'm going to put them in the oven for a little bit to get that crisp and caramelize the extra barbecue sauce I want to put on them. Okay. So put our lid on. Make sure you seal. Okay, so make sure it's sealed. Then we're gonna hit stew or meat, 35 minutes on high, and then we wait. And like I always say, guys, the secret to good cooking is every time you're waiting, you take a swig of a really good beer. So let's wait. And while we're waiting, I want to take this opportunity to, again, thank you guys that have subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You never know what you're going to see. Alright guys, once the time is over, you can let it warm up for 5-6 minutes and then manually release the pressure. And let that release it. Okay, once the pressure's off, guys. Ooh, you know what it smells like in here? You guessed it, barbecue ribs. Ooh, doggy. Let's see what we got. I've got this tray. I put some aluminum foil on it because this is going to go in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees because I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on top of it, and that oven's gonna caramelize it. Oh man, they're falling off the bone. They are falling off the bone. My goodness, they're breaking apart. Breaking off. You might want to cut back in a couple of minutes of cooking if you want it this soft. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Yeah, they broke apart, but it's good eating anyway. If you don't want it to break apart that much, maybe cut down 5 minutes on the cooking time. Look at that rib right there. Ooh, doggy. I'm telling you. You're going to eat good tonight. And I added that onion and garlic in there. So for my taste, my personal preference, I like the extra little kick that gives it. You don't have to do that. You'll do just fine just with the apple juice and the vinegar and the barbecue. Okay. So now, good old hickory smoked barbecue. I'm going to spread liberally each piece. Good stuff. Spread it through. My mouth is water. Put some more. You can put some barbecue sauce once you serve it at the table also if you like, but I tell you, won't need it. This thing's going to go in the oven, it's going to caramelize. Make sure you don't burn it. That's why I put it at 400 degrees and only for about 5 to 10 minutes. Here we go. There we go, guys. We'll watch it, but I think between 5 and 10 minutes. In the meantime, salute. Cheers. Okay, everybody, time to get these ribs out of the oven. I wish you could smell this. Here it is. Good. And there you go, guys. Ribs in just a few minutes in the Instant Pot. And I tell you, just as good as grill outside. How's that, baby? Try it out. Try it out, guys. Leave me a comment. And again, thank you very much to those subscribers. All right? So the G-Man from Texas, like I always say. Peace, y'all. Cheers.